Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sell PDF on Gumroad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Gumroad website and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gumroad dashboard. Here, look for the Products section. This is where all your digital items are managed. Click on Products, then click New Product to start creating your PDF listing. You'll be prompted to enter a product name, so choose something clear and attention-grabbing that highlights what your PDF offers. Next, select your currency and set a price. Make sure the currency matches your main customer base and try to price your PDF competitively by checking similar products. Once done, click Next, Customize. In this step, write a product description that clearly explains what your PDF contains, its benefits, and why buyers will find it useful. Then, add a cover image or video by clicking on Upload Images or Videos and selecting a file from your device. This is important because visuals attract potential buyers. After uploading your visuals, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to upload your actual PDF file. Click on the Upload icon, select Computer Files, then choose your PDF from your device. Once uploaded, you're almost done. The final step is to click Publish and Continue, which makes your product live and ready for purchase. And that's it. So that is how you can sell PDF on Gumroad. So that's all for this video. Thanks.